Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build a community app with Discord in no-code actions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify and build a community app using Discord with no-code actions, begin by creating a Discord account if you don't have one already. Visit the Discord website or download the app from your mobile store and sign up for a new account. Once you've created your account, log in and navigate to the Discord homepage. Click on the plus icon in the left sidebar to create a new server. Select Create My Own and choose whether it's for you or a community. Name your server and upload an image if desired, then click Create. Now, invite members to your server by sending them an invitation link. Once your server is set up, focus on establishing channels for various topics. Create text channels for discussions, announcements, and resources. Also, consider creating voice channels for real-time conversation. Next, familiarize yourself with Discord's moderation tools. Set up roles for members to define and manage permissions effectively. Navigate to the server settings and then to the roles section. Create roles for administrators, moderators, and members to organize your community. Utilize the Integrations tab to connect bots that enhance server functionality. Explore no-code platforms like Zapier or Automate.io. Sign up for a no-code tool of your choice. After signing in, choose Discord as your app and select the actions you want to automate. For instance, connect Discord with platforms like Google Sheets or Twitter. Follow the prompts to link your Discord account and set up the desired automation. Test your integrations to ensure they operate smoothly. Now, focus on engaging your community members. Create events, polls, or workshops to foster interaction. Encourage feedback to improve the community experience. Implement community guidelines to maintain a positive atmosphere. Share valuable resources and information regularly to keep members informed. Finally, monitor your server's health and growth metrics using Discord's analytics. Continue adjusting your strategies based on community feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.